highest tide level seen in 38 years. After the initial quake, a tsunami warning was released and residents were urged to get to higher ground. At least 42 aftershocks have been recorded since the initial quake image. Images being shared on social media show close to $1 billion in damages.
Donald Trump named his top 2 advisors in his administration party Sunday afternoon. Republican Party Chairman Reince Priebus is to be the new chief of staff, and CEO of Breitbart News, Steve Bannon, is to be his chief strategist and senior counselor. Trump's decision of appointing Bannon has caused several heated debates, even among Republicans. Bannon is known for having white nationalist views and has been accused of anti-Semitism. This has brought more fuel to the fire for protesters around the nation.
One of the brightest supermoons since 1948 has made an appearance in the sky, and we may not see another one until 2034. A supermoon is when a full moon is at the closest point to Earth along its orbit. Sky watchers in Sydney and Beijing have gotten a glimpse already, and Iowans had a view of it this Monday morning between 5 and 7 a.m. This moon looks 7% bigger and 15% brighter than usual.
The sky is bright, but Kinnick Stadium had a blackout game on Saturday that went down in history. Several college football upsets happened over the weekend, but the low-scoring Iowa-Michigan game was one to watch. The Michigan Wolverines came to Iowa City undefeated, but they were not prepared for Kirk Ferentz and his Hawkeye defense. Michigan held a 13-11 lead for most of the game, but a field goal scored with 3 seconds left made the final score 14-13 Iowa, causing students to storm the field. This was not the only gathering of Iowa students this weekend. Iowa City Pedestrian Mall was flooded with protesters Friday afternoon. City High students planned a peaceful walk through Iowa City to show opposition of President-elect Donald Trump. Later, a separate group of protesters shut down an eastbound lane of Interstate 80 for nearly half an hour. Protesters were chanting things like, "Not my president," "Black Lives Matter," and "Peace, not hate."
With the holiday season approaching, one item that will be on everyone's list is the new MacBook Pro 2. The new laptop is lighter, thinner, and Apple's most power portable computer to date. It's also been the first update to the line in 4 years. Pre-orders have been far greater than any other professional-grade Apple laptop. The new laptop will feature vertical touch display, which means you can control a range of things by just using your fingertips. The laptop will also feature Touch ID, where you can log into the laptop or use Apple Pay. The new laptop comes at a heavy price, but Apple wants to reassure their customer the price will be worth it and a small step into the future of computing.
Earlier this morning, the United Nations has finally explained why we've been experiencing warmer weather. According to the Weather United Nations Agency, 2016 will be going down as one of the hottest years on record. The World Meteorological Organization said Arctic sea levels are very low, which means early melting of the Greenland ice sheets. Because of these circumstances, this upcoming winter will be a warm one.
This election has been one of the most controversial ones yet. Since the election, hate crimes have popped up all throughout the United States. The Southern Poverty Law Center has logged more than 300 hateful harassment or imitation since the election. Trump released a statement Sunday night urging the hate crimes and anti-Trump protests to stop and not to fear his presidency. Trump has also been accused of being prejudiced and is believed to be the reason behind all the hate crimes.
Finally, a quick look at the weather forecast for Iowa City. It's sunny and the temperature is 60 degrees. And for KRUI, I'm Jamie Zangwell.
And Kiera Lewis.